This is only the third interstellar visitor ever detected in human history. So rare, so mysterious, that even the brightest scientific minds are struggling to understand what they've found. It's moving at an unimaginable speed, on a trajectory that shouldn't even exist, as if it's defying the very laws of physics. A tiny pinprick of light slices through the void, approaching from the unexplored depths of interstellar space. But this doesn't belong here. Astronomers are in shock. They've just confirmed what seemed impossible. Think about it. This object has traveled for millions of years, crossing unimaginable distances, just to briefly pass through our cosmic neighborhood. And we, fragile, curious humans, have only a fleeting moment to study it before it disappears forever. But here's the chilling part. Some scientists believe there is something about this object that doesn't fit, something that could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe, and maybe, just maybe, even hint at the existence of other civilizations. This isn't just another astronomical discovery. It's a race against time, a cosmic mystery that might unlock secrets hidden beyond the stars. What makes this comet so different from others? Why is its path so strange? And what secrets could it reveal about distant worlds and forces we can't yet understand? The answers are closer than you think. July 1st, 2025. High atop a remote mountain in Chile, the night sky looked calm, quiet, and empty. But on the screens of a powerful telescope network, a single, faint pinprick of light appeared, almost too small to notice. This system is called Atlas, a planetary defense network designed to scan the skies for asteroids that might one day threaten Earth. Every night, Atlas snaps thousands of images of the sky, looking for anything unusual. Most of the time, it finds nothing but harmless space junk or rocks. But tonight was different. At first, it looked like just another asteroid, a tiny, unimportant speck moving against the backdrop of the stars. But then, astronomers noticed something strange. Its trajectory made no sense. It wasn't following any known orbit in our solar system. Instead, it was moving so fast, on such a bizarre path, that it could only mean one thing. This object came from beyond our solar system. News spread quickly through the global astronomical community. Within hours, the International Astronomical Union confirmed the impossible. Humanity had just detected its third interstellar visitor. Its official name, 3I Atlas. A lonely fragment of rock and ice, launched from a distant star system millions of years ago, wandering through the cold dark of interstellar space. Now, for one brief moment, it's drifting through our solar system like a cosmic message in a bottle delivered by the universe itself. To witness something like this is extraordinarily rare. The first was Oumuamua in 2017. The second, Comet Borisov in 2019. And now, 3I Atlas. 3 moments in all of human history where we've glimpsed an object born under another sun. But as astronomers celebrated this historic discovery, a chilling question began to take shape. Could this mysterious visitor pose a danger to Earth? Scientists quickly began working to find answers, but what they discovered about 3I Atlas would only deepen the mystery and raise even more uneasy questions. When 3I Atlas was first detected, it was 4.5 astronomical units away. That's 4.5 times the distance between Earth and the Sun, silently drifting in the outer reaches of our solar system. Even at that incredible distance, astronomers were able to measure its speed, and what they found was jaw-dropping. This object is screaming through space at 40 kilometers per second. That's nearly 90,000 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, it is faster than any native comet in our solar system. Nothing traveling at that speed could be gravitationally bound to the Sun. The only explanation? It was launched from another star system, long ago ejected by powerful gravitational forces, and has been wandering the darkness ever since. Now, here's the good news. Based on its current trajectory, 3I Atlas will not come anywhere near Earth. Its closest approach will be about 150 million miles away, safely beyond the orbit of Mars. We are not in danger, but that doesn't mean there's no cause for concern. Because 3I Atlas isn't just a dead rock drifting through space. Even at this great distance, astronomers began to notice something strange. A faint glow, a subtle halo of light around it. Soon, a delicate tail of dust emerged, stretching out behind it like a cosmic ribbon. This was not just a rock. It was alive with activity, like a comet waking up from an ancient sleep. Here is what is happening. As the object nears the sun, its frozen gases begin to vaporize, releasing tiny particles of dust. This process, called sublimation, creates a bright coma, the luminous halo we see around comets, and a tail that always points away from the sun. It's like watching an ancient relic spring to life, revealing its secrets in real time. And the fact that we detected these details while it was still so far away, that is a testament to how advanced our telescopes have become, and to the incredible level of global cooperation between scientists today. Teams in Chile, Hawaii, Australia, and even amateur astronomers around the world work together, tracking this visitor from every corner of the planet. A true worldwide effort to study a piece of another star system. But to truly understand why 3I Atlas is so extraordinary, we have to look back to the only other interstellar travelers we've ever seen. The legendary visitors that came before it, Oumuamua and Borisov, because hidden in their stories are clues that might explain the mystery of this new cosmic wayfarer. For most of human history, we believed our solar system was an isolated island, with nothing entering or leaving but the light from distant stars. But that all changed in 2017, when a mysterious object named Oumuamua streaked across our skies. Oumuamua was unlike anything astronomers had ever seen. It didn't look like a typical comet or asteroid. Instead, it appeared to have a strange, elongated shape, like a gigantic cosmic cigar tumbling through space. Even more bizarrely, it showed no visible coma or tail, the bright markers we usually associate with comet. Then came the biggest twist. Oumuamua unexpectedly sped up, as if some unseen force were pushing it. Gravity alone couldn't account for its acceleration. This led to a firestorm of theories, some scientific, others far more sensational. Was it an unusual fragment of rock shaped by natural forces? Or could it, as some daring scientists suggested, be alien technology, perhaps a derelict probe from another civilization? To this day, Oumuamua remains a cosmic enigma, one that left more questions than answers. Just 2 years later, in 2019, humanity witnessed a second interstellar visitor, Comet Borisov. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov looked familiar, much like the comets we see in our own solar system. It had a bright coma and a spectacular tail, leaving little doubt about its natural origin. But its interstellar status was still groundbreaking, proof that comets like ours exist in other star systems. Borisov provided scientists with crucial data, a first glimpse at the building blocks of distant worlds. It was a cosmic postcard sent across light years, carrying chemical clues about alien solar systems. And now, in 2025, comes 3I Atlas, a visitor that appears to be a mix of both its predecessors. Like Borisov, it exhibits comet activity, with a delicate coma and tail. But its unusual speed and bizarre trajectory are far more akin to Oumuamua's, defying easy explanation. It's as if this object has been shaped by forces we don't yet understand, a mystery wrapped in ice and rock, flying at high velocity through our cosmic neighborhood. Studying these rare travelers is like finding messages in bottles, cast out into the dark ocean of the galaxy. Each one carries clues about the birth of distant solar systems, and perhaps even the possibility of life elsewhere. But as astronomers looked closer at 3I Atlas, a troubling realization began to dawn. Something about this object doesn't fit the pattern, a subtle anomaly that suggests forces we can't yet fully explain. I Atlas is not just a curiosity drifting through space. It is a time capsule from another star system, a fragment of a world born under an alien sun, carrying clues about how planets, and perhaps life itself, form across the galaxy. Every interstellar object we detect is like opening a cosmic laboratory. Its ice and dust may contain molecules we've never seen before, structures utterly foreign to anything in our solar system. By studying it, scientists hope to unlock secrets about the origins of other worlds, and perhaps even gain insights into the question of whether life could exist outside of Earth. So, where did it come from? The leading theory is that 3I Atlas was ejected billions of years ago during the violent birth of a distant planetary system. When massive planets form, their gravity can fling smaller objects outward at incredible speeds, rocketing them into interstellar space. Others believe it may have come from the icy, outer reaches of a young star, like our own Oort cloud, a frozen, untouched relic from the very beginning of that system. But for every theory, there are still enormous unanswered questions. Why does its trajectory seem so unusual, even compared to Oumuamua and Borisov? Could its composition reveal something radically new about the types of stars and planets it came from? And the biggest question of all, are there billions of these objects silently wandering the galaxy, passing through other star systems without us ever noticing them? Every discovery like this is a reminder of how vast and interconnected the universe truly is. For a brief moment, we get to peer across unimaginable distances and glimpse a story far bigger than our own. It's humbling to realize our small planet is just one chapter in an epic galactic saga. But there is also a whisper of secrecy surrounding 3I Atlas. Not all the data has been made public yet. Some observations are still being held close, as scientists race to collect every possible detail before this traveler disappears back into the void. There is an urgency to this mission, because once 3I Atlas is gone, it could be millions of years before another visitor like it comes our way again. In July 2025, humanity caught a fleeting glimpse of something extraordinary. 3I Atlas, only the third interstellar traveler ever detected, entered our solar system for a brief, silent visit. Its journey through our skies will last only a short time, but the knowledge it brings could reshape science for decades, or even centuries, to come. Think about the odds. Countless stars scattered across a galaxy so vast we can barely comprehend it. Infinite space, infinite darkness, and yet, by sheer chance, our world crossed paths with a tiny fragment of another star system. A cosmic traveler, billions of years old, now passing by like a stranger in the night. Moments like this remind us of our place in the universe. We are small, fragile, and fleeting, and yet we have the remarkable capacity to see, to question, and to understand wonders far beyond our tiny world. These rare discoveries are not just scientific milestones, they are mirrors, reflecting our own curiosity back at us, showing us how deeply connected we truly are to the cosmos. Oumuamua, Borisov, and now 3I Atlas. 3 names, 3 visitors, and perhaps just the beginning of a new era of exploration. One day, maybe we will finally understand where they come from and what messages they carry across the stars. Because maybe, just maybe, these interstellar travelers aren't simply passing through. Perhaps they are whispers in the dark, ancient messages carried on cosmic winds, waiting for us to listen.